Hello, we're Jam and G-Force. I'm Jamie.
I'm Gerard.
And today we are here to propose to you, TK Industries, our model for your ROV. So without any further ado, let's get into this proposal.
Yeah.
So throughout our process, we wanted to make sure that we prioritize sufficiency, but also we want to maintain proper use for all. So this just makes sure that every user that comes into contact with this has an easy way of navigating how to use it.
Absolutely.
So with our model, when you open the app, you are presented with a login screen. Here you will have to input your own unique username and password. If either are incorrect, you will not get into the interface. It will just take you right back to the start and it will print an invalid statement.
It will lock you out.
Yes, it will. Yes, it will.
So once you sign into the interface, you'll actually see a very big picture of Hammy. He's our current CEO. He's been running Jam and G-Force for the last over almost 20 years now at this point. But once you get past that wonderful image, you'll actually see just to the right, you'll see the dark mode and light mode. So you can swap them depending on user preferences. So whoever's operating the ROV, they'll have those options available. Now below that, you'll actually see just below Hammy, you'll actually see a scan button. So this is where Jam and G-Force kind of shine here in this moment. So we're actually displaying, instead of having to have multiple buttons, inputs, that can be very overwhelming for the user. So certainly when you're running multi-million-dollar equipment, that's the last thing you really want to be worried about. So we try to streamline it to a scan button. So this is where instead of 3 options, where most of our competitors have, we've actually included an extra motion sensor as well to be included with the sensor. So when that button's pressed by the user, they'll actually see windows pop up if any of those indicators are met. So any of those thresholds, they'll get a pop-up window. They'll see a light blink. So there's going to be visual, audio with the buzzer, and backup visual with the light itself with the LED. So that user will know that something is happening, and it'll actually outline in the warning messages what it is, including with the motion sensor as well. That'll be tied in with the temperature, the light, and the vibration. So it will give them full spatial awareness.
Thank you guys for listening, and we really hope that you appreciated our layout. We hope that you consider us, Jam and G-Force, for your ROV model specialists.
It's a pleasure working with you throughout this venture.
Of course. Oh my God.
I'm not here.
Oh my God. So Hammy is calling right now, our CEO. Let's see what he has to say about TK Industries. Oh my God, Hammy, I think he's having a really bad episode. I gotta go.